Hello everybody, here I am today with the next part of Ice Race. Yesterday we talked about the words ice and race having the soft C sound in them, and today I'd like you to do some word work on that. So I've attached a worksheet onto an email that you should have received with some work for you to do in sorting out words, deciding whether the S sound in the word should be the C, the curly K, or an S, and then some sorting out of the words. So that's something that you can do now, or you can do after we've finished looking at the book again. It's up to you. So do you remember yesterday I just showed you the right hand page of the book, and I said that today we'd be looking at the left hand page. And the left hand page tells us the story of the ice race from a different perspective. It's all from the dog's point of view. So it's very interesting to see how the dogs see things. Do you remember the contents page from yesterday? Okay. So this is Cody, and Cody is the leader. He's the lead dog. I am Cody, the lead dog. I'm excited about the race. He looks excited, doesn't he? He looks really happy. Packing. I help my musher pack the sled. So you can see the musher putting all sorts of things inside the sled that they're going to need to use on this long race. Notice up here there's a subheading that tells you what the page is about. That's another feature of a non-fiction book, subheadings. This one says, Dog in Boots. The musher puts on my booties for me. And look how smart Cody looks with his special booties on. Check the ropes. The musher checks the ropes. Doesn't want anything to go wrong. Ready, steady, go! Just look how excited that dog is to get going. It's leaping right up into the air. We bark and jump. We are next. Remember, they set off at 2-minute intervals. This dog can't wait to get going, can he? Faster. I lead the team, and we build up speed and pull the sled faster and faster. Look, they've all got their little boots on. Going uphill. This steep hill is hard work, and in this picture you can see that the mushers got off and they're helping to push the sled up to give the dogs a little bit of help. A long race. We stop to rest overnight. There's still a long way to go. And look at the dog all curled up asleep in the straw to keep warm. And all of this equipment lying around. There's not much shelter, is there? It's a good job that this husky's got very thick warm fur, just exactly suitable for Alaskan weather. Hike. My musher tells us to turn. Can you remember? Hike, get moving. Whoa, stop, easy, slow down. G, turn right, and haw, turn left. Snow hook. We need to sleep again. It's hard to stop the sled in snow. The musher uses a snow hook. And there they are. You can see it's getting dark. They need to get ready to sleep again. The finish. That was such fun. We got a prize. And look at the two dogs reaching the finish. Looking so pleased. Race to help. In 1925, this musher and his dog took part in a race to help some children. And that was the very first race that started the whole Iditarod race tradition, which is still going on now. And there's Cody, looking very pleased with himself, and so he should. I hope you enjoyed looking at the ice race, and I hope you listened really carefully to all the facts that we learnt about the race, because now I'm going to ask you some questions about what you have learned. So tune into the next part. Bye. Hello everybody, welcome to my special ice race quiz. I'm going to ask you a series of questions all about the ice race. So if you've listened really well to parts 1 and 2, you should be able to answer these questions. If you want to write them down, you can write them down, or if you just want to tell the answers to someone, that's fine. If you get really stuck, then you might want to have another look at the videos of part 1 and part 2 to find the answers. See how well you do. Here comes number 1. Number 1, what is the name of the ice race? It's got a special name. Can you remember? Number 2, what is a musher? What does a musher do? What's their job? Number 3, why do the dogs wear booties? Is it a fashion statement? Why do you think they wear their booties? Next question. What does the musher use to stop the sled? When they want to put the brakes on, they have a special thing. What's it called? Next question. What do these commands mean? Okay, you can do these one at a time. Hike. Whoa. Easy. G. And haw. What do those commands mean? Next question. How fast do the sleds go? You might have to look back at part 1 if you've forgotten how fast the sleds go. Next question. Why did the first race happen? What was it that started the whole thing? Next question. What are the runners on the sled made from? You might want to look back at part 1 for that one as well if you've forgotten. What material? Next question. What does the musher do when they come to a steep hill and the sled has to go up it? Not down it, but when they're going up a steep hill, what does the musher do? Next question. How far do they race? What's the distance of the race? It's a long way. Next question. How many days do the fastest sled teams take to complete the race? How long does it go on for? Next question. What does the winner get? What's the prize for the winning team? Next question. What does the last place sled team get? They get something special. What do they get? Next question. Where does the race end? And the last question is, what is the name of the lead dog in our book? I'm going to post the answers tomorrow, so you'll have to wait till then to find out if you got them all right. Good luck. Bye.